guys, so you're welcome to this channel. This is SHEQXEL.com. All right, so SHEQXEL.com is the platform you want to visit if you're looking for health and safety template that has been pre-built to make your health and safety job much easier. All right, so we've had a lot of templates over the past year. SHEQXEL actually started in 2019, and we are still in the game, still developing templates and providing value to a lot of professionals around the world. So we have a lot of templates. As you can see from the website, we have a lot of templates, all right? And we have about 300 reviews, guys. So we've been endorsed by 360 professionals around the world, that we've had a lot of amazing reviews supporting the fact that we have very good health and safety templates, all right? So these templates will make your work very, very easy. All right. And in terms of how to purchase, it's very simple. All you need to do is just go through a checkout process and then provide your name and email address, and the file will be sent straight to you. So without further ado, let's actually get into a number of the templates. All right. So before we get into each of the templates, I just want to highlight that we sell these templates as individual templates or in bundles. All right. So when it comes to bundle of templates, we only have three bundles, which are the officers pack, the managers pack, and then the full pack. All right, the full pack simply is everything on our website. So I'm going to open the full pack shortly so that you can have a look. All right, so the managers pack, the officers pack, they are just short of just one template. All right, the full pack is literally everything. Managers pack, officers pack are only short of just a single template. So let me just break it down. Managers pack does not have HS performance monitoring tool officer version, whereas officer version also does not have HS performance monitoring tool manager version. The full pack has everything, and it includes both the officer version of HS performance monitoring tool and then the manager version of HS performance monitoring tool. All right, so let's get into the full pack and let's have a look. So the full pack is basically comprising 21 premium templates. All right, these are 21 premium template in the sense that these are the templates you're actually going to purchase, because when we started in 2019, we were building on to the full pack. All right, we used to have just 9 templates, 10 templates, and we're adding on to the price of the template until we got to 21. And when we got to 21, the price got to 398. And then we felt like, what is the point of increasing the price on every new addition? Other than that, it's going to be very, very expensive for users, okay? And it wouldn't be so attractive for people. At the end of the day, we are looking at providing value. We want everybody to have access to these templates. So it's very important that we make it very, very affordable to everyone. So we stopped at 21 templates and we continue to build on at absolutely no price, okay? These are free template that you're gonna have access if you buy the full pack. All right, so 21 premium templates, 59 giveaway, and then 200 bonus files, and 50% discount has already been applied to it. On top of that, we will add you to our premium pack membership, and this membership simply means that every new template that we build, you're gonna have access to them for free. All right, so just have a look at these 59 giveaway. We have environmental monitoring tool, risk management tool, control of work KPI trend tool, corrective and preventive action tracker, safety assurance KPI template, road transport safety auditing tool, basic safety auditing tool, the drill matrix, the ISO 40, ISO, you know, 14,000, 45,001 auditing tool. So these are just a lot of tools, guys. These tools are very, very um, specific to solving the challenge that you have at your workplace, and they are very spot on. All of these templates are able to generate reports on a dashboard and various other reports that you can utilize. So we have these upcoming templates, which are plans that we have. We keep adding on to it because, in fact, there are a lot of requests for us to develop a lot more templates, and we have them. I'll be showing you guys some of these templates. There are over 100 templates in all. They're all going to be over 100. Okay, in terms of the bonus files, so these are policies, plans, procedures, forms, checklists, posters, and ISO 45001 documentation pack. All right, so these are all the resources that we are literally dashing them out to you for free. All right, and then all these benefits that you can have from buying a template. All right, so it's either you're buying this or you're requesting for 6 months support, where we'll be giving you support by simply booking meetings, and you have the responsibility of booking a meeting. So because booking meeting is something that is very, very easy to do. So if you have any challenge, all you need to just book a meeting and we'll get into it. All right, so that's basically what the full pack is all about. Now take note, the officers pack does not have the manager version, and then the managers pack does not have the officer version. All right, the full pack has both of them. Basically, that is what this template is all about. All right, now without wasting time, let's get straight into the files that you're going to be seeing when you purchase the full pack. All right, so this is my finder. All right, because I'm using Mac and I have all these folders in my finder. And as you can see, how many templates are you seeing? We have about 116 templates that we are actually developing, and we'll be adding on to the full pack. But for now, we've published, let's say, up to about 80 of them, because 21, 59 giveaway, they all sum up to 80 templates, right? So that's, we have about 80 so far published on the website. And have all these other ones still coming. They are actually in their way. So if you want to be part of this family, all you need to do is just buy the full pack at the current price and keep fingers crossed. In fact, I'll be showing you the members area very soon. All right, so premium pack, we add them to a membership. We add them to a membership where you guys can download every template for free. Okay, so this is all the template that we have that you'll be buying. And take note, these individual templates are solving specific problems. Given the fact that health and safety is very broad, and you need templates that can address specific aspects of health and safety, because some of them you have to gather quantitative data, some of them you have to gather qualitative data. You cannot mix qualitative and quantitative data all up and say you're trying to measure some performance based on a certain performance metrics or some KPIs. Every template is serving a specific purpose. That's why we always say that when it comes to health and safety, you have to use the right tool for the right job. We have made a lot of tutorial videos for most of the templates, like HS performance monitoring tool, officer version, manager version, PPE monitoring tool, incident trend analysis tool, chemical, chem tool plus training matrix, scoreboard, HS observation tracker, permit to work log, legislation tracker. All of these, majority of the videos, we are still working on creating more videos for some of the templates that do not have videos so far. All right, so let me quickly show you some of the templates. For example, this one, I think you guys are familiar with it already. It's gonna open shortly. Okay, so it's taking some time, but so this is basically the HS performance monitoring to observation, and it has a lot of features. I think that we've done a lot of videos on this already, so majority of you are aware of it. Okay, it has a lot of dashboards and it's based on quantitative data, so you're able to generate all the reports, you know, on various dashboards and various graphs. Okay, so that's for quantitative data analysis of health and safety KPIs. This is something on risk and opportunity register, and at the end of the day, it's able to show you your risk profile, majority of the risk that are within the medium, high, very high, and low. Okay, so that's help you to build your risk and opportunity register. Basically, we have a lot of templates, something on PP. You've seen the videos already. If you have not seen the video, kindly check in our list of videos. You're gonna see a video on PP. We have a video on incident trend analysis. We have something on HSE action plan. Before the beginning of every year, you need to set an action plan on what you are seeking to achieve, the target and the people that are responsible for closing those actions. And then you need to do progress. You need to do follow-up meetings with the responsible parties and updates, the progress updates section, so that you are keeping track. At the end of the day, you want to achieve a certain target. This template does it for you. There's something on stock monitoring or safety equipment, you know, workplace inspection, risk management, HSE action tracking, especially when it comes to corrective and preventive actions from your monitoring activities. Guys, these are all the templates that can really help you to make your health and safety job much easier. All right. So let's go back to our website and I'll just show you the membership. When you buy these templates, you have access to all of these, and you're gonna have access to some of these templates that we're still developing. But of course, we will you have to join the membership. So the membership, once you purchase a full pack, automatically we add you to the membership. So I'm already a member. I'll just log in right now. Now take note. Sometimes when you click on the links, this ad pops up. That's Google AdSense. Just ignore. All right. Now I am already a member of the membership page. Okay. So all I need to just log into my account. Okay. And once I am logged in, I can see all my purchase history, all the things I've been purchasing over the time frame. And that is exactly what I've been saying, especially to people who make a purchase for the first time. Every time you make a purchase, an account is created for you. And all you need to do is just check your email, because a password reset link will be sent for you to set your password, and then you can be able to log into your account. Once you log into your account, you will find all these purchases that you've made over time. All you need to just click and download. So these purchases are stored here for you forever and ever, as long as you are in existence as a business entity. Okay, so we are in for the long haul, for the foreseeable future. Your items are going to be stored there for you for a long time. So they have this is one of the means of having access to your download. Okay, apart from the fact that a copy will be sent to your email address, and then again on the purchase confirmation page, you're also going to find a template link right there to download. So there's actually no excuse of somebody making a purchase and saying I can't find the downloads. We've been finding getting some of these feedback, sometimes, and usually because the person has used a wrong email address, the purchase receipt did not hit the inbox, or they are using their corporate account, like their company email address, and their domain has blocked the email coming from our site. However, just take note, when you make a purchase, instantly you can download on the website on a purchase confirmation page. And if you use an email account such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail, and the rest, the mail is going to hit your inbox to set your password, and you're going to have your file in your user account. All right, so I'm a premium pack user. I've logged into my account. Now all I need to just come to the premium pack members. All right, so this is the premium pack members area where you can actually download all the templates that we've been, you know, updating. So this one is actually the new update as at 30th November 2022. Of course, this is a very long time. Yeah, this is actually to let you know this was the time we did the updates. And for those of you bought the templates way before this time, obviously you're gonna notice this is a new update that you need to download. All right, so all the new updates, we keep providing the dates, and we are always trying to demonstrate with colors so that you can see which one is the latest. So obviously from this list of template, the latest update was this one. Okay, 28 June 2023. That's the latest updates. Okay, we even have 15th September. Okay, yes, this is 2022. So there's the latest update actually. So guys, all you need to just go through and then look at the latest update and download if you want to keep track of the latest update. But guys, take note, whenever we come up with a new template, we're gonna be putting them right here, and then we're gonna indicate as new release. As you can see, new release. This is something that we are very much committed to, and we're gonna be doing that for a long time. So guys, we are in together. We are gonna have a whole list of templates that are solving health and safety problems across the world. If you have specific requests and we look at it and review, definitely we're gonna make it a template for everyone to be able to have access to. All right, so that is it with our membership, and as you can see, we have all these reviews, 300 reviews from a lot of people who are very happy with our work. All right, so thank you all for your attention. Just take note that SHEQXEL is here to support health and safety professionals around the world with our unique solutions that will make your health and safety job very, very easy. All right, and we provide support by simply using this live chat to engage with us if you have any specific request. Again, we have a lot of we have an FAQ section that will help you to That'll help you to, you know, provide cloud. That'll actually provide clarity to any question that you have. The file format, you're gonna find it right here. If I click on it, it's gonna tell me the file format, and that is exactly right there. The template at default Microsoft Excel file designed for Windows and Mac OS, like the files you have on your computer already with no macros or VBA. The file are compatible with Microsoft Excel 2013 or later versions. So make sure your Microsoft Office. We have all the information. All you need to do is just go back to the main menu. You're gonna see the main menu items. You can click on the price list. It's gonna give you the link. So we have FAQ that is giving you all the answers to many questions that you may have, even before you say hi to request for specific clarity on any question. All right. So guys, thank you all for your attention. I'm going to be doing this video again many times to come, just to ensure that we are being very dynamic with our content, not only to just show videos of the template, but we want to answer all questions. So if you have specific questions that you want me to answer, I'll just make a video for you so that you can get an insight on those issues that you're having. All right, so thank you all for your attention, and speak again soon. Bye for now.